Hello everyone, Tech Reviews back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about a Microsoft Edge not opening and responding in the Windows computer. And on this video we are going to see 4 solutions which will work for all Windows operating system. So let's start from solution number 1. So when this problem is happening, the first solution that you will do is in the Microsoft Edge in the Task Manager. Click here the search icon and type here Task Manager. So here the Task Manager, then open the Task Manager and search for Microsoft Edge. So scroll down to the bottom, or you can click Microsoft Edge. Here I found under the background process, I found Microsoft Edge. So select here Microsoft Edge and click here in the task. So it will end the task related with Microsoft Edge, and as you can see here, it's removed from the Task Manager. So this will help you to solve the not opening and not responding problem. And if the problem is still occurring, try to open your Microsoft Edge and go here on the top. You will find here the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots and select for extensions. And under the extension, you'll find here manage extensions. Select the manage extension, and you will find here different installed extensions. If you have extensions, they will be here. So you will find remove. So remove the extensions. Maybe those extensions are blocking your Microsoft Edge for not opening and responding. So remove the extensions that you find here. You will find the remove option. If removing the extension is not working then the third solution for this video will be checking for updates. So open your Microsoft Edge and click on again here the 3 dots and scroll down to the bottom, and you will find help and feedback. Then under the help and feedback, you will find about Microsoft Edge. So select about Microsoft Edge and it will start checking for update automatically. And as you are seeing here, Microsoft Edge is up to date in my case. So if your Microsoft Edge is outdated, it may cause such kind of problems. So update your Microsoft Edge. Then if the problem is still occurring, then the final solution for this video will be clearing the browsing data on your Microsoft Edge. So to clear the browsing data, again, open the Microsoft Edge and click here the 3 dots. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will find settings. So click on the settings and you will find on the left side privacy, search and service. So select that and scroll down to the bottom and you will find clear browsing data. So here choose what to clear. So I recommend you to clear everything that you find here. Maybe the browser history or cookies and caches are causing this problem. So select them and make sure you select the all-time option and click here clear now, and it will clear all the browsing histories under the Microsoft Edge. So these solutions may help you to solve the not opening and not responding problem related with Microsoft Edge, and I hope this solution helped you to solve your problem. And please subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.